Now gold is not enough.
Hello loves, and welcome back to the AislingRose channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get this simple and easy graphic liner look that I absolutely love wearing, and it honestly makes blue eyes pop so much. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I've just put on my entire base of face. So I just put on my base face makeup, and I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see my eyes a little bit more clear. So I'm going to start off with a simple transition color. So I'm going to be taking this color right here and putting that into my crease. And I'm going to be using a fluffy brush to do it. Next, you're going to want to grab an eyeliner that you are most comfortable with. I am using a liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. and I'm going to start applying the eyeliner. We're going to be doing a fairly thick cat eye. And we're going to be taking the end of the eyeliner tail and rounding it into our crease. It's okay if this is a little bit messy. Do not freak out. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to get a rough sketch of that line on your eye. As you can probably see, it is very messily done. That is okay. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be going over it with some eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is take this dark brown color, and I'm going to be using a smaller flat brush, and I'm going to be going across that top line, not the bottom lash line but the top line, and I'm just going to be slightly blending that brown over top of it, and then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and go right over that brown shadow. This is gradually just making it darker and not making it look like you just have a straight up black line. You're giving it more depth and you're giving it more shadow so that it doesn't look so standout-ish as a line on your eye. I'm also going to take those same colors and go on my outer V just to blend the cat eye in with the line above. I'm also going to take those same colors and go underneath my lash line as well. Now to finish off this look, I'm just going to be putting on some false lashes and mascara, and if you're anything like me and you want to throw a little bit more edge into it, I'm also going to be applying some black lipstick. And this is the finished look. It was super simple and easy. This is one of my favorite graphic liner looks that I've ever done, and I just really enjoy it. I know I haven't done a makeup tutorial in quite a while, so I wanted to definitely do a new one for you guys, and this is one that I actually did a few years ago on my last channel, and I wanted to kind of redo it and see how I could improve it and make it better. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing that. If you're a real OG follower, then you probably remember that video, and I am so sorry if you did, because that was let's just say I wasn't looking the best. That is the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video, along with letting me know down in the comments below what you would like to see me do in future videos. I love you all so much. Thank you for joining my weird little family. I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Where I would listen to you all day, baby, if I could. I love it when you talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Little Carolinas in Tennessee, every word sounds so sweet.